Hi guys, there are a lot of people who just really wanted to watch Kundli Bhagya. So how you will be able to watch this serial? So I'm just here to tell you. Firstly, you just need to open Play Store. Okay, so go to Play Store and you can search easily G5. Okay, and you will see G5 and just install this applications, and after install this application automatically open. So please just open it and you would see G5. Okay, so here you would see home and TV show, movies, premium. So just click TV show and you would see Kundali Bhagya. Okay, so please just press it and you will be able to watch Kundali Bhagya.
भीड़ से हटके कुछ करेगा तभी तो अपने आप को ढूंढ पाएगा। इसका प्राइमरी सोर्स है वे प्रोटीन आइसोलेट जो बॉडी में जल्दी एब्जॉर्ब हो।
Optimum Nutrition has been trusted by the world best athletes for 35 years.
दुनिया रिजल्ट्स देखेगी, अब तो दिखा दे।
Pressing button. Okay, and you would see a serial.
जिसने अपने छोटे भाई को मार डाला।
Okay.
क्यों? क्योंकि वो मेरी पत्नी से शादी
Watch it. And, thank you very much for watching this video.
वो क्या करता है अपनी लाइफ